Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something different. I think I need to clean this camera. There we go. So, we're doing something different today. As you guys remember, this is a little pit bike that we bought a while ago. But as you can see, there's no motor and flat. Tire's actually good on the back, so, but it's bald. There's no, ain't getting traction. Can't get no traction. Anyways, we're gonna pull this rear end out. We're gonna pull the 6x6 in here. We're gonna take the rear end off that and put it on this and get a trike again. And we're gonna get a motor. Hopefully a motor. Yeah, motor. We're probably gonna take the motor off the 6x6 and put on here. That way we can have a 110 tricycle. So, that being said, catch you guys as soon as we get something done. Alright guys, so did a little grinding today. We had to cut some of this axle off. She was a little thick, she was a little thick in the rear, so we had to cut these off. That's on one side. This was on the other side, so she's she's about that shorter. So, plus we still gotta cut this pipe. We gotta make sure the chain is lined up. I think we are going to pull the 110 out of the 6. So we're gonna pull the motor out of this. Don't worry, guys. It's gonna have a bigger motor in it, or not a bigger motor, a better motor. A one with gears. 4 tiers. So, anyways, so we're gonna make sure this is all lined up. We're gonna pull that motor out real quick. Get it in the orange bike. Go comment below. Should we paint this? I mean, because I think I'm gonna leave it a trike, because who don't love a trike? Plus, I did all this work in. Really don't want that axle to go to waste. But anyways, that's besides the point. Go comment below if you guys think we should paint this. And we'll get this motor off. Catch you guys on a flash. Alright, so we got all the wiring hooked back up. We're going to test it. Make sure it still runs. So you guys stay tuned. We'll see if it runs. That next to her, she'll try fucking. Gosh darn fuel tank, I tell you what. She needs to stay put. Ran out of gas. I know what's wrong with it, ain't got no gas in it. Alright, so we got gas. Let's restart this so we have plenty of go-go juice. Alright, so now spray a little. Grace, get out of there. Gosh darn it. Why don't you want to stay running? Alright, let's restart this. Turn the choke on. Maybe it's just not gonna get. Oh, the choke's not even on now. Maybe that's why. Hold on, hold on, Philly. How about we put a filter on? Maybe that's what's wrong with it. No, filter always solves the problem. Okay, maybe not. Can't get it on. What the heck is wrong with this? What the heck is junk? Alright, let's see. Clear probe. Why are you still crying like a little baby? She's running. That's good. We want her to run. Alright. Let's figure this out. I'm pretty sure it's a carb issue. So we're on our roll in. Half and one. Let's see. Let's idle this up a little. Rather have her high idle than no idle. She definitely did not like that. Let's try no choke. She don't like choky, no choke. Alright. Give her a little go-go juice. Open that choke up. Give her a throttle. Alright, let's see. Now we ain't got spark. What's going on, Terry? Terry did it. Why ain't you working, Terry? Oh, maybe the ground's off. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, food. Uh-oh, that's loose. Oh, that's wrong side. There we go. There we go. Ah, we ain't got enough juice, boys.
Daddy.
What? Good. That's good. That's good. She should fire. She almost fired. I don't know why she's not firing, but she ain't firing, Terry. Make sure we got gas going on there. Should have gas. Should be plenty going down there. Alright, clear prop. Okay, no go. What's wrong with you? Oh my goodness. Maybe. Let's do something. Maybe. Let's see. Hey. Get this battery charged up. Uh-oh.
Dad. Hello, Dad.
She's a little wet. Yeah, she's a little... Yeah. She's a little wet, so clean her off. Shoo! Hey. Shoo! Can you do it? Go. Shoo! You ain't gonna do it now?
No.
Why?
I did.
Can you do it for the video?
Yeah.
Say it. Shoo!
Shoo.
Go in your home, Tony.
Terry?
Tony, go in your home. Oh, come on, Terry.
Come on, Freddy.
You like Ricky, don't you?
Wait,
You like Ricky?
no.
Alright, so let's see if she'll start. Well, we know she starts, but we gotta get her running right. Can't be running half butt around here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. We'll just choke it. Let's go a half turn. Let's just see what a half turn is. I'll say half turn does not do nothing. Do we even have gas coming out of here? Yes. Okay. Hey. Now we got gas everywhere.
I do.
Everywhere.
I do.
Everywhere.
I do.
Choo!
No.
Choo!
No.
Put it back. Choo! Keys on. Keys on. Grace. But what is freaking wrong with this thing? Ah! Oh, we gotta go. Bye. Alright guys, so we're taking this bike. We have to make sure it ran first, you know. Let's make sure it's actually gonna run. Only way we can do that. Alright. Ouch! She's hot. Ow! Mother trucker. Alright, so she runs. So now we're gonna go pull this motor out. Go put in that trike. We're gonna pull that other motor out. She doesn't run very well, so we're gonna just switch it out. So we'll catch you guys all in a flash. Mother trucker.
Were you supposed to do that to a bike?
Alright guys, so we're out here riding the trike. We got a great exhaust. Great exhaust. She's a success. First ride. She's still hanging on. She's still running. So it's always a plus when she's still running. A little bit of a doozy trying to. Don't worry about that. Self-clearance stuff. There we go. Much quieter. Idle down. Alright, hang on guys. We gotta do a wheelie. Ouch. Exhaust is hot. Alright. So this is what we're having problems with. Kickstart. Hold on. Start right there next to the thing. Tire chain. Still good. But you guys see it? It's a beauty. The beauty and the beast. We can't find the seat, so that's not the actual seat. So we're gonna get started. Ride it a little bit more. Well, we were gonna ride it more. Ouch! Son of a biscuit bulldog eating cow turd. Oh. Alright guys, don't know how long this video actually is. Parked here, this here thing again. Go comment below. Go comment below what you guys want to see next. We come up with the craziest ideas, but you guys need to go hit the subscribe button, go hit the like button, because it helps us out. Helps us build these crazy, whatever that thing is. We were gonna put a snorkel on it, so if you guys want to see a snorkel, hit snorkel the 3-wheeler. So with that being said, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Guys, so we spun her around for a little bit, you know. Now we gotta do a walk around.